Let's take a look at the Flex Extender kits. Included in the 1-port extender kit is a Flex Base and Flex Link adapter. Included in the 4-port extender kit is a Flex Base and Flex 4 adapter. The NVT Phybridge Flex Base extender solution is designed to supercharge the downlink ports of a standard Ethernet switch, delivering 10 100 megabits per second symmetrical, full duplex, and PoE over multi-pair UTP infrastructure with distances up to 2,000 feet, 610 meters. That's 6 times the reach of standard Ethernet switches. Modernizing to IP is simple, robust, and cost-effective, and is accomplished in 3 easy steps. First, connect the Flex Base extender to the standard Ethernet switch. Then, connect the existing UTP infrastructure to the Flex Base extender. Lastly, connect either the Flex Link or Flex 4 adapter at the endpoint location, which can be up to 2,000 feet, 610 meters from the Flex Base extender. Enable up to 4 IP endpoints from a single long-run cable with the Flex 4 adapter. Additionally, you can gain another 328 feet or 100 meters from the adapter to the endpoint device. The Flex Extender kits are ideal for customers who want to modernize to IP using any new or existing UTP infrastructure. These customers want a plug-and-play solution to deploy a non-disruptive, quick, and simple PoE backbone for IP cameras, phones, access control, wireless access points, and any other IEEE 802.3AF or AT-compliant devices. To learn more, get in touch with one of our experts and view the assets below.